it open and see what we got. Hopefully we got something we can machine afterwards to make it into tolerance. Hopefully. All right. Let's see how we did with our casting. Here was what we were aiming for. 3D printed part that is going to be the carburetor linkage for the throttle. So there's that. Here is what we poured. Made our own 3D printed flask. Stomped out our own mold. Let's see what happened. It's holding some heat. Ooh, yep, it's got a little heat in it. More than I anticipated. Let's see. Well, I roughly see the shape, which I can take into the machine shop and drill out my mounting hole there for my linkage, drill out my mounting hole there where it slips over the carburetor. Kind of disappointed that I've lost my detail right here where I had a counter bore, if you will, along this edge right here. But I'll just have to see what I can do about that and put it in and do it in CNC, but I didn't want to have to get that involved into it. And maybe I'll just try another casting with a bit more flair to it, a little more design. I'll let that cool off and see what I can do with it tomorrow. And take it to the mill, drill out our 2 holes that belong there on the bottom, see what we can do about that boss that was supposed to be there on the top. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't.